All right, let's look at some of the ways Ask Steve can help you with Google Sheets formulas. So first, you can go into any cell and double click on it so that you get the cursor there, hit Command-Shift-K on a Mac or Control-Shift-K on another platform, and then there's a Sheets Formula Helper skill. I'm gonna pick that skill and then hit Enter, and then Steve will ask me what do I want the formula to do. I'll say for row 1, add column D to column G. And then it will give me a formula, which I can then copy, paste into there, and then, yeah, sure, I'll take the rest, and then it will automatically put in the rest. So that's good. And then what I can also do is if I wanted to write the formula in directly, instead of me having to copy and paste, I can do similarly, Command-Shift-K, and then say Sheets Formula Helper, except now that before the box is triggered, instead of hitting Enter, I hit Command-Enter. That tells Steve overwrite the current text field. And then I hit OK again, and then it overwrites the current text field. I hit Enter, and then I can go ahead and do the Sheets suggested autofill and get all the values there. Okay, so that's one way. The other thing you can do is, if you want to, you can also add in your own permanent button to give you just a formula helper everywhere in Sheets. So if I go to the Skills tab and I find the Sheets Formula Helper skill and I say Add a button, I'm going to add a button to the page. I'm going to anchor it. Let's see, we'll anchor it to the comment thing right here. We'll move it to the left. And then right now the URL is the URL for this particular document. But if I get rid of the part that's unique to this particular document and update, this will now appear on every spreadsheet that I have. Automatically that button will appear. And if I want some help, I can go to the Sheets Formula Helper. And let's see, I'll give it a new formula. We'll say here, for row 1, if the value in column C is California, then put an X in the current column, okay? It'll give me a formula. I copy that, and then I can paste that into here and do the suggested autofill, and we can see that for the rows of California, I also have X's in them as well. So that's how you can get really quick formula help with Ask Steve in Google Sheets. Thanks.